from another angle to pull a log through that delimber, and they'll cut off the top. And then he stacks it depending on whether it's going into pulpwood or ply logs or chip and saw, which chip and saw is just small saw timber. And that's him. He just cut the butt off of the tree to take off some of the swell. Go through the delimber. He's not even gonna delimber that one. I guess it's not enough limbs on it to fool with. That pile of pulpwood behind the delimber, they will grab that and they'll load it on a pulpwood truck. Which I believe that's what they're gonna be loading next. The pulpwood. That's a stick of pulpwood. It's got a bad cat face on it. That truck is coming in right now. They're going to probably load it with pulpwood.